All right, guys, this is LP with S&W Service and Repair. Today, I just want to talk to you guys about being careful for what you ask. I wanted all the service calls. I wanted all the smoke. I wanted everything. I wanted to be running back and forth. Now that I have it, I'm trying to figure out how to manage it. And I have to figure out how to manage it in order to keep getting it. In addition to managing it, I still have other things going on. My insurance. Now my insurance has been paid. I paid it in full. I paid for the whole year. But I uploaded it to, I'm not going to say the name of the company, but I'm sure all you guys use it. Well, they said they don't have it today. I'm like, yo, and I just wanted to check on it because I hadn't had any feedback, and I looked on there and I hadn't seen anything saying that I'm compliant all the way to 2024. Nothing. So I call them. We go through this 17-minute conversation, only for them to tell me that they didn't receive it, and we didn't do it right. And I've done this for 3 years, and 3 years I've always had problems. Every time, and just really frustrating. But I still got to do service calls. I still have to order parts. I still have to do the customer service, and I'm got about 20 calls. 30 calls. 30 calls on my dashboard. And that's spread over 3 different territories. Man, it'll wear you down, I was making videos just enthusiastic about life, getting money, and man, I'm just doing everything I can to stay above, keep my head above the water. I don't really stress, but I'm not made like that to stress. But I could see how other people would really stress out about this. But I am tired. I ain't gonna lie about that. I am tired. In addition to trying to eat healthy, keep my body right, run these calls, there's no free time at all, because I'm running calls, man. I am running calls left and right. So I just want you to be careful what you ask for. 1 call a day. I got 2 calls tonight. The time changed. I got a little more light. So I'm gonna try to get 2 of them in today. Get 1 in tomorrow. Try to get 2 in Wednesday, 2 in Thursday. And then you come to Friday where we have decision making time. Now in my past life, I used to be a photographer. I had a studio in downtown Plano off 15th Street. Website, shooting models, bringing in hairstylists, makeup artists, all that, and it was just an expensive hobby that I parlayed into meetups and meeting a lot of people in the industry, having my own meetups on meetup.com for photography. Then I took some of the equipment, I shot a couple music videos, but anyway, my daughter wants me to take photos for her for her senior photos. Man, I'm just like, look here. Find a photographer and let me just paint. Because it's just not the photography, it's just and then you got the editing. And I still have all my Adobe Suite stuff. But it's like, taking all that time to go through and edit and retouch and do this and do that. And I got all these calls I could be really racking up. And I can pay for the photographer, in a call or 2. It's just one of those things where, man, I'm tired, man. I'm tired. And any little free moment, I'm really just trying to get a break. Yeah, and I'm tired right now. That's how it. But be careful what you ask for, my guys. You know, hopefully I get a burst of energy in a second. But right now, I'm just letting you know, man, I appreciate everybody who's been subscribing and watching videos. But I definitely need you guys, when the floodgates open, the floodgates open. And my mentor told me the floodgates haven't opened. My mentor told me the floodgates hadn't opened. Plus, I got people in our email that want mentorship from me. You know, they like, well, how much your mentorship? We need a mentor. And I'm like, man, I really don't mentor people, you know. And it could be one avenue to help some people, but I try to give you the honest to God truth on these videos, you know, and I try not to leave nothing out. I just try to be very much transparent, working a full-time job and running service calls. But I still have people, you know, reaching out. And I'm gonna talk with my mentor about that and see what kind of game plan, action plan I need to put in place to actually be able to serve these people, because I don't want to do it if I really can't do it right. Excuse me, guys. Man, I just want you guys to be careful what you ask for. I know this is I'm pretty sure this is a boring video for a lot of people, man, because you know I'm not really giving you the game or just being over the top. But I'm telling you, man, you know, sometimes your eyes can get bigger than your stomach, you know. And my eyes didn't get bigger than my stomach. I just walked up to the table and thought I was gonna eat a little bit. And it turned into a buffet style of eating. And I'm like, man, and I want to push myself away from the table because I don't want to be a glutton. But at the same time, man, the money on the table, and it's hard to turn it down. So we're going to try to just turn it up and keep it going to the max. And I'm going to try to come out here with some more videos and just get y'all the game and get y'all everything that I have and everything that I know. But it's going to take a little bit of time to get my mind wrapped around it. Because a lot of times when I'm on these drives, I'm just trying to relax and enjoy myself before I get to the next call. Because, you know, I'm road running as far as employment and then run the service-based business.